guys, welcome to our channel, Jerry's Corner. Say hi. Today is not about a kids video. I would like to unbox something we bought online. It has the condition of the product is a F. It has an F rating, which is fair, and it has a note that says the flash does not pop up. It's a camera, actually. It says here exactly, flash does not pop up, may have other issues, and the cosmetics condition is G, which is good. I bought this at Adorama.com, which this is I bought something before to them that has a B condition. It has like a, which is actually this one, the XT one. I bought them the XT one. It's pretty much is in good condition. But this is the first time I bought a fair condition to their website. So I would like to open the box and let's see what it looked like. So here's the package. I just received it today. I'm so excited. Actually, this is a Fuji X-A5, which is the it costs like around $500 with lens. So I bought this camera for like $100. It has a condition of F, which is fair. Right here. So I don't know what to expect, but hopefully everything works out fine. So we're opening up. So it has a lot of bubbles. That's the inside. And here you can have it. So I don't know. It doesn't have a box, so it's in here. I think they just put a bubble wrap on it. And my invoice.
I can't pop it.
It's okay. So let's see. Here's the camera. Actually, I bought this camera because I'm gonna give it to my eldest daughter. It's like a vlogging camera, but it's a good deal. I don't even use the pop-up flash on the camera, so hopefully everything is good. So it says here F, fair rating. So it has okay. So it comes with the battery, I think the charger, so it has a, so it comes with the thing is the AC adapter, and this is the cord. I think it's the charger and the battery. So here is the camera. Oh, looks good. So here is the camera. The LCD looks, it has some scratches on it. The bottom, here's the bottom. There's some scratches, and there's some dent where is the pop-up flash is. But everything looks fine. Here's the pop-up screen. So let me put the battery. Let's see. It does power on. So it turns on, and it says here pair with smartphone. So I think I'm gonna put I'm gonna download the Fuji camera remote app. Here, let me put a lens on it. It doesn't come with lens, but I have this. This is my camera, a Fuji X-A5 that I bought at Adorama. I'm using a manual lens, which is this one is a Vivitar 28 2.8. Then it has a adapter for the camera for Fuji. Then which is a Fotasi NKFX. So let's see if this lens will work on this one. So yeah, it does work. So yeah, I put a strap on it. This is my old strap from my Fuji X-T1, and everything on the camera looks perfectly fine. Everything works. I'll show you some sample pictures of it, and the sensor looks pretty neat. There's no damage in the sensor. The sensor looks clean, and I think it's the only issue is just cosmetically. So yeah, the pop-up flash is the only damage. I think it has a dent, that's why it won't open. I think that's the only issue of it. But every button, Wi-Fi, it works fine. Actually, the pop-up flash works, but you have to like just pull it with your nails. You see, it still works, but it doesn't pop up when you turn on the switch. Yeah, it does work, but I don't pretty much use all my cameras. I don't use my pop-up flash because it's too like harsh. The light's very harsh. The screen itself has some scratch, but it's still usable. The LCD is like a vlogging video. It does work. So yeah, I think it's good for like $100 without lens. I think it's a good buy. But I'm gonna give this to my daughter. She's the one who's gonna use it. It's a good like for a first camera. So I'm happy with what I bought in Adorama. So if you guys want to buy this is like a fair condition on their website, which is pretty much it is fair. Yeah, so yeah, I'm happy with the $100 Fuji X-A5, which costs like around 500 new with lens. So yeah, let's see what happens in the next few weeks. But I think right now I'm very satisfied with the camera for $100. All right, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys subscribe.